Hello and welcome to EC916 Topics in Global Finance course at the University of Warwick. Let me give brief information on me. My name is Fatih Kansoy and I'm working here at Department of Economics as a teaching fellow in macroeconomics. I did my PhD in economics at the School of Economics, University of Nottingham, and I did two masters, and the one is here in Warwick and the another one is from University of Essex. Before joining Warwick, I used to work at the Nottingham Business School, then I joined Warwick again in 2019. My research interests include central banking, international finance, and financial technology. In particular, I am very interested of using AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in finance. Let me give some information about the structure of the course. There will be two types of lectures. First, synchronous, and the second one is asynchronous lectures. Synchronous lecture is a live stream lecture and it will be on Wednesday at 10 a.m. via Microsoft Teams. The main points for the synchronous lectures are to elaborate and discuss the topics which were mentioned in the asynchronous lectures. You are supposed to join all synchronous lecture on time. A synchronous lecture has a different aim than synchronous ones. You will mainly learn and understand the module from these lectures. All materials are mainly discussed within these asynchronous lectures. Simply, I will record and upload all lectures to Moodle and you will watch them all offline. For example, this is an asynchronous lecture, as it can be understood that asynchronous lecture is very important and you must watch all them before the synchronous lecture every week. Website. We have a specific website for this module, warwick.ac.uk/EC916. In this website, you can access some statistics related to modules, such as past student performance, student feedbacks to module, and the main goals of the module. However, we will not use this website for the course material. We will have a specific Moodle page for our module. As in other modules, we are going to mainly use Moodle page for all course materials. You can reach all lecture notes, slides, and required reading lists via Moodle. In addition, I am going to use Moodle for any last-minute change, announcement, and all other information. Also, all videos will be uploaded to Moodle too. I'm not sure, but most probably your end-of-term test again will be held in via Moodle. Thus, you need to visit the Moodle page regularly. Exams. I know you were wondering mostly this. Don't worry too much for the mark. I am generous on marking. Focus your job and try to learn the materials. Then marks will definitely come later. I'm going to prepare two different types of exam to mark your performance. The first one, end of term test, as the name suggests, it will be end of this term. And the second one, final exam, which is going to be in May. While the end of term test account 20% of your final mark, the final exam in May will have 80% weight on the overall score. I'm planning to prepare a multiple choice exam for the end of term test and the standard written exam for the final exam. End of term test will be cover only 6 weeks material and it will be on 18th of March. Please check the date and times again. Whereas the final exam will cover all materials, include a problem set. Tutors. Apart from the lecture, you will have also seminar classes every week, every 2 weeks approximately. There will be 2 seminar tutors, myself and Diego. If you are in Diego's seminar group and you want to ask your question regarding seminar question, you can ask Diego by using his office hour, and here is details. You can get a point from this website. On problem set, in the seminar, you will have problem sets which are very, very important. There will be 4 seminars, approximately 1 seminar every 2 weeks. You should work on the problem set before the seminars. Problem set will be posted on Moodle prior to seminar. Due to time limitation, only some problems and questions will be covered during the seminar. Although all solution will be posted online on the week after the seminar. For example, you can see the first seminar on the Moodle page right now because I have uploaded already, so you can start to study. Reading. Although there is no textbook for this course, the required reading consists of a collection of books, chapter, journal articles, and working papers. The reading list also includes policy-oriented reports and opinion pieces from different sources. Required readings are marked with asterisks in syllabus. These readings may subject to change. I will post the required readings before each class, each lecture on the course website. Aim. Here is some general information for the module. The main aim of the module is to equip you students with the analytical tools and the knowledge to study and understand key issues in international finance. Within this knowledge, you will be more familiar with the financial topics in the past, present, and the future. How we are going to do this? Of course, we have an approach on this. In economics, as in tradition, we are going to use some economic models. The course is built around analytical models. Although a real-world example will appear throughout, the course will heavily rely on theoretical analysis. Thus, we will not discuss what will happen the stock price tomorrow or next week or what Bank of England do for the next week for the decision rate. Real-world interest, real-world example. We will use theoretical models to understand the more important current issues in the global economy and analyze policy response. By doing this, we will understand main drivers of financial crisis, such as currency and banking crisis, sovereign debt crisis, as well as banking crisis. If everything is clear, now we can start. I'm very excited to see you all. See you on Wednesday.